Hi there! In this tutorial, we are going to demo how to start and stop InsideEdge Spark, as well as how to browse through the Zeppelin notebook and then shut down the cluster. I've already downloaded my InsideEdge Community Edition, which is in this folder right here. Let's take a quick look at the contents of this folder. Notice that it's a typical Spark distribution layout where I have some of the launch scripts, some configuration files, examples, libraries, and the important SBin library, which has all the scripts that are responsible for starting the cluster, running the InsideEdge shell, as well as the Spark job submit script. In the SBin folder, there's an important shell script called InsideEdge.sh, which is responsible for controlling the start and shutdown of the cluster instances. Notice that I can decide which mode that I want to start this in. I could start this in a clustered environment on several machines, where I can specify where the masters and slaves would be, but for the sake of this demo, we are just going to start this in standalone mode on my laptop. So we will pick the demo mode right here. So let's take a look. I'm going to specify mode and demo, and notice that the InsideEdge cluster is starting. Basically, it will start one Spark master, a worker, as well as the underlying data grid instances. It will also start a Zeppelin notebook server for me on port 8090. So let's take a look at the notebook. I'm going to start my browser here and have it running locally on port 8090. The web user interface is again a Zeppelin notebook where you can have several different tutorials to exercise the different functionalities of InsideEdge. It could be something as simple as the basics of data modeling, as well as reading and writing data frames with the cluster. Or more advanced features such as Geospatial API, Python, or a few others. So this is essentially the overall main interface to start the cluster. Now we're going to shut down this cluster, which also happens through the InsideEdge script. So I'm going to do sbin InsideEdge.sh mode shutdown, and this will basically detect all running instances and shut down my standalone version of the cluster. So this is in a nutshell how to install and start InsideEdge. Thanks for following, and please check out InsideEdge.io for more information and demos. Thanks!